Maybe you're suffering from runout in your milling process. This could be caused by contamination going in the interface between the tooling and the milling spindle. This can cause defects such as out of round holes and problems with geometry of the parts. This can cause runout of the tooling, leading to deformation of the parts, out of round holes, and incorrect geometry. Especially when running high value aluminium parts, for example, with lights out running, continuous production, this can be a very expensive exercise. My name's Tim Wood. I'm the product manager here at ACCRETECH for product for machine tools, and I'm here today to talk about our ATC.
To detect this runout, ACCRETECH has developed our RD10 ATC system. It's a permanent installation on a customer's milling machine, fully integrated with the machine control, and can give a notification when this defect occurs. The system consists of a sensor mounted near the tool holder. This is detecting the runout of the tool holder. An electronic controller that's logging and monitoring the status of the runout, and also a display to indicate to the operator the status of each tool. The system is particularly useful to those users machining high-value parts in aluminium or other lightweight materials, where there's a high chance of contamination, swarf or chips entering the interface between the tool holder and the spindle. During first setup, it's possible for the AT system to learn a normal runout of up to 100 tool holders. Then, in production, every time a tool holder is changed, the checking process takes place. The checking process is very, very fast, only 150 milliseconds, and detection of any runout of around 3 microns and upwards can be carried out. The new RD10 system has increased network capability for the server monitoring of data and status of each tool holder. Every time the checking process takes place, a machine checks the tool holder against the acceptable tolerance of vacuum. If it's out of tolerance, the ATC system relays the status of this to the milling machine control, and the process can be stopped and the defect will flag out. If you're interested in learning more about the ACCRETECH ATC system, please click the link in the bio.